Welcome to JH Free Sewing. If you're the type who enjoys poking yourself with needles for fun, this might actually be interesting. But is it legit, or just another internet rabbit hole? Let's find out together. First things first, what exactly is free sewing? It's a website where you can generate custom sewing patterns based on your own measurements. They aren't trying to sell you overpriced fabric or ready-made clothes you'll never wear. Instead, they offer free, open-source software that generates patterns you can download. You pick a design, enter your measurements, and boom, you get a ready-to-sew pattern. It's free, it's easy to use, and honestly, it's more impressive than my last attempt at fixing a hem. Now, let's talk about why this site doesn't feel like a total scam. We checked their domain registration, and the website has been around since 2016. That's almost a decade, practically ancient in internet years. A site that's been running for that long usually implies stability and experience, rather than some random pop-up shop that appeared yesterday and will vanish tomorrow. We also found info about the founder, Joost de Kock. They even have a picture of him on the site, which is a nice touch. Knowing a real human is behind the curtain makes the whole thing feel more personal, transparent, and significantly more trustworthy than a faceless corporate bot. Next up, let's look at their social media. Free Sewing is active on Facebook and Instagram, which is always a good sign. They actually engage with their users and post updates instead of just shouting into the void. A strong social media presence usually means a brand is real and actually cares about its community. I particularly love that it's open source, which is just a fancy way of saying it's free and encourages you to be creative. The tools are easy to use, and they provide detailed guides. So, whether you're a complete disaster with a sewing machine or a seasoned pro, it makes the process feel rewarding rather than a chore. But what about the user reviews? Interestingly, there aren't any reviews on their own site, and they've skipped the joy of Trustpilot entirely. So, we went to the front page of the internet, Reddit, to see what's actually happening. People are genuinely excited about free sewing. They love how intuitive it is, how fast it works, and how easy it is to input measurements. A few users mentioned some minor confusion when switching between metric and imperial units, because apparently, math remains the ultimate villain. But overall, the feedback is very positive. People really appreciate the creator's generosity in providing a high-quality resource for absolutely nothing. So, what's the final verdict? Honestly, freesewing.org looks completely legit and trustworthy. It has the longevity, a transparent founder, a solid social media presence, and a fan base that actually likes the product. Whether you are just starting out or you've been sewing since the dawn of time, this website is a fantastic free tool for creating your own custom patterns. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, do like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, unless you're still struggling to even thread the needle.